Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Copilot for LinkedIn post drafts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Copilot for LinkedIn post drafts, start by opening your LinkedIn account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Look for the Start a Post section, typically located at the top of your feed. Click on the text box to open the post editor. In the post editor, you should see the Microsoft Copilot icon. If it's not visible, ensure your LinkedIn account is connected to Microsoft 365. Click on the Copilot icon to activate the feature. A prompt will appear, guiding you on how to generate post ideas. You can enter a topic or keywords that you want to write about. Copilot will generate suggestions for your LinkedIn post drafts. Review the suggested content. Feel free to edit any of the suggestions to better suit your voice. Once you are satisfied with the draft, click on the Post button to publish it. Check your LinkedIn feed to see how your post appears to your connections. If you want to generate more drafts, you can repeat the process anytime. Remember, having Copilot helps streamline your content creation on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.